Number 12 in Surya Namaskaras, the real position, the actual position, the prayer pose. Pranamasana or Vrikshasana, the tree pose. Left foot on right thigh. Left foot on right thigh with ball hands above head. 1 minute challenge, 60 count, 60 seconds. 1, 2. In the final position, stay there like a statue. No shivering, no jerks, no catwalks. Body and mind balancing asanam. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.